The valve plate assembly has a series of reed valves that act as check valves. One series allows air to enter the cylinder from outside, and the other routes air from the cylinder to the outlet tube and the air tank. The reed valves will eventually wear and chip or break off. A compressor that has been used beyond its duty cycle rating will overheat, which can cause the valves to prematurely fail. Replacing the valve plate assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you perform any work on your air compressor, make sure that it's unplugged and you've drained any air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the motor housings. They're held in place with a series of screws. With the screws removed, now use a screwdriver to gently pry the housings apart. Now that I have access to the pump, I can remove the outlet tube that goes from the cylinder to the tank. Now I'll remove the cylinder head. It's secured with 4 screws. With the cylinder head and the old valve plate removed, now I can begin installing the new valve plate. I'll need to transfer the O-ring seals from the old valve plate to the new. If the seals are worn or cracked, or if they tear as you remove them, you'll want to replace them. Now I can install this assembly back onto the compressor. And now I can reinstall the outlet tube. Now I can reinstall the housings.